One.
Very good morning, my dear first semester diploma students. Today I will discuss some important 2, 5 and 10 marks type of questions. First question is, determine the center of gravity of hemisphere of radius is equal to 40 mm. The answer is, generally you know that the center of gravity of hemisphere is 3/8 from the base. Then putting the value of r, we have CG for hemisphere is equal to 3 into 40 divided by 8 is equal to 15 mm. Then next question, find the center of gravity of right circular cone of height 60 mm and base radius is 40 mm from its base and vertex. You should remember that center of gravity of right circular cone from base is equal to h by 4. Here h is equal to 60, then 60 by 4 is equal to 15 mm. Then center of gravity of right circular cone from vertex is equal to h minus h by 4 is equal to 3h by 4 is equal to 3 into 60 divided by 4 is equal to 45 mm. Then I will discuss one important problem for your examinations. An eye section has the following dimensions in mm units. Bottom plane is equal to 300 into 100. Top plane is equal to 150 into 50. OM is equal to 300 into 50. This is the diagram of eye section. This is the top face. This is the OM. This is the bottom face. The dimensions of top face 150 into 50. The dimensions of OM. This is the OM 300 into 50. The dimensions of bottom face 300 into 100. Now, this eye section is symmetrical about y axis. Then, let bottom face of the axis, this is the bottom face of the axis, be the reference. Now, bottom place A1, this is the A1, length is 300, width is 100. Therefore, area A1 is equal to 300 into 100 is equal to 30,000 mm square. Then, Y1 is equal to, this height is 100, therefore Y1 is equal to 100 by 2. 100 by 2 is equal to 50 mm. Then OF, this is the OF. Then A2 is the area. A2 is equal to 300 into 50 because this length is 300, this width is 50. Therefore, 300 into 50 is equal to 15,000 mm square. Then Y2 is equal to, this height is 100, this is the constant, plus this height is 300 by 2. Therefore, 100 plus 300 by 2 is equal to 100 plus 150 is equal to 250 mm. Then, top place. This is the top place. The length is 150 and the width is 50. Therefore, A3 is equal to 150 into 50. A3 is equal to 150 into 50 is equal to 7500 mm square. And Y3 is equal to, this height is 100 constant, this height is constant, plus this height divided by 2. Therefore, 100, this is 100 plus 300 300 plus 50 by 2 is equal to 425 mm. Then now the distance between center of gravity and bottom of the plane y bar is equal to a1 y1 plus a2 y2 plus a3 y3 divided by a1 plus a2 plus a3. Putting all the values we have, a1 is equal to 30,000, y1 is equal to 50 plus a2 is equal to 15,000 into y2 to 50 plus a3 7500 into y3 425 divided by a1 plus a2 plus a3. Therefore 30,000 plus 15,000 plus 7,500. Adding we have is equal to 150000 plus 3750000 plus 3187,500 divided by 52500 is equal to 843750 divided by 52500 is equal to 160 by 7111. पिला माने तमे बहुत पिला भूल करती तो कैलकुलेटर यूज सब जानिया दरकार तो कैलकुलेटर ठीक प्रॉपर यूज करिवो एवं आंसरटा ठीक बात करिवो. देन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, find the center of gravity of a channel section is equal to 100 mm into 50 mm into 15 mm. This is the channel section. Here channel section A, B, F, J. This the length is 50 and the width is 50. Then this J, E, G, K is equal to this width is 50 and total height is 100. Then A3, this is also 50. Now this section is symmetrical above x axis. Therefore, its center of gravity will lie on this line. First, rectangle ABFJ. First rectangle ABFJ. Here, length is 50, width is 15. Therefore, A1 is equal to 50 into 50 into 15, 750 mm square. And X1, here, this length is 50. Therefore, X1 is equal to 50 by 2 is equal to 25 mm. Then, second, rectangle EGKJ. Here, EGKJ is equal to area A2 is equal to 70 into 15. पिला मन डाउट थियो एटा सारा काली 70 हैला टोटल दिस लेंथ इज 100. This length is 100. This length 15. This length 15. Therefore, 100 minus 30 is equal to 70. Therefore, A2 is equal to 70 into 15, 1050 mm square. Then, X2 is equal to 15 by 2 because this length is 15. Therefore, X2 is equal to 15 by 2 is equal to 7.5 mm. Then, third one, rectangle CDHK. CDHK is equal to, here A3 is equal to also 50 into 15 because this length 50, this length 15. Therefore, 750 mm square. And X3 is equal to 50 by 2 because this length is 50, therefore x3 is equal to 50 by 2 is equal to 25 mm. We know that distance between the center of gravity of the section and left face of the section AC is equal to x bar is equal to A1 x1 plus A2 x2 plus A3 x3 divided by A1 plus A2 plus A3 is equal to A1 is equal to 750, x1 is equal to 25, therefore 750 into 25 plus 1050 into 7.5 plus 750 into 25 divided by A1 is equal to 750 plus A2 is equal to 1050 plus A3 is equal to 750. Adding this, we have 45375 divided by 2550 is equal to 17.79 is equal to 17.8 mm. Then this is also one important problem. A body consists of a right circular cone of height 40 mm and radius 30 mm placed on a solid hemisphere of radius 30 mm and the same material. Find the position of center of gravity. This is the diagram of hemisphere. Now, here the body is symmetrical about y axis. Therefore, center of gravity will lie on this line. This center of gravity will lie on this line. It has been shown in the diagram. Let bottom of the hemisphere D. This is the bottom of the hemisphere D is the point of reference. This height is 40, this radius is 30. The hemisphere volume V1 is equal to, we should remember all these formulas. 2 pi by 3 into R cube is equal to 2 pi by 3 into 30 cube is equal to 180005 mm cube. And y1 is equal to 5r by 8 is equal to 5 into 30 by 8. This is the formula. 5 into 30 by 8 is equal to 18.75 mm. Then right circular cone V2 is equal to pi by 3 into r square h. This is the important formula. You should remember all this formula. V2 is equal to pi by 3 pi r square h. Putting all the values, we have pi by 3 into 30 square into h 40 is equal to 120005 mm cube is equal to, then y2 is equal to 30 plus 40 by 4 as the height by 4 is equal to 40 mm. Then center of gravity y bar is equal to v1 y1 plus v2 y2 divided by v1 plus v2 is equal to 180005 into 18.75 plus 120005 into 50 is equal to 18005 plus 12005 is equal to 27.3 mm. It is also important 2 marks type of question. Distinguish between center of gravity and centroid. Center of gravity, the point through which the entire weight of the body acts. Here, it is referred to as the Z geometrical center of a body. Number 2, it depends on the gravitational field and the mass distribution of the body. It is independent of gravity. It depends only on geometry. The last one is define centroid. Centroid is the center point or geometric center of a plane figure like triangle, circle and quadrilateral. Thank you.